Okay, so this is the first attempt. I haven't opened this yet, so let's see how we go. Colour matching for Bonza. Not too bad, I think. Let's turn this up. Turn this up. Turn this on. Probably a little more colour saturation required in the back. Alright, first attempt at a colour match. Budgie Smuggler. Righto, what I'm using to flick at the moment is a little 4.2 inch rip wrap. Great little lure for jacks in the Budgie Smuggler colour. Chartreuse on the bottom and like a clear green with some large or mixed fleck in there. So we'll give it a flick over here. This looks promising up there. See if there's a jack home. No jack. This system is the Bowley River in Townsville. Cops an absolute heap of pressure, so. Hey, yep. What do we got here? Little barra. Cops a heap of pressure, but still produces some fish. Nice. About a 5-minute drive from home. Righto. Just lift him in. He's only a little fella, but on the soft willy, close to home. On the Budgie Smuggler, rip wrap. That's just for interest's sake, we'll measure you. Righto. Good way to get a hook in yet. Just slid out nicely. Tiny little fella. Was he? Almost 43. Call him 43. I know, just out of there on the Budgie Smuggler. 4.2 inch rip wrap, soft willy. Beautiful little barra. Must be a healthy system. Cops a heap of pressure. And good to see these little fellas about. Nice. Oh, barra, yep. Just another little fella from the snags on the softer willy. I'm not going to bother measuring you, mister. Oh, and he just got you. Corner of the jaw. Nice little barra out of there. Not deep enough. Oh. Oh, the jack's following it. Yeah, got him. He's a good jack. Oh, the jack's following it. Yeah, got him. It's a real good jack. He followed it and followed it. That's a huge jack. Yeah, that is a really big jack. Righto, solid jack on the 4.2 rip wrap in the Budgie Smuggler. Nice jack, let's see what he goes. Alright, that's a solid jack up there, flat tail. Let's call him 46. He's 46 and a half. Let's call him 46. That's probably the best jack that I've caught on the soft wheel, or definitely the best jack I've caught on the soft Willies. 46 centimetre jack, nice.